The overall trend at SPS 2025 in Nuremberg is automation shifting towards smarter, more connected factories. The biggest driver is industrial AI. Systems like Delta's new D-Bot platform link directly to NVIDIA Omniverse and Isaac Sim, bringing real digital twins onto the production floor. Robots now adapt through vision, voice, and gesture input, and simulation flows straight into real operations. AI also moved inside the robot's core. Elmo's ultra-compact titanium drives, Synapticon's integrated servo joint modules, and Maxon's new high-efficiency actuators all point toward a new generation of smaller, lighter, more flexible robots. Across the halls, IT and OT finally merged. Cloud, edge computing, simulation, and cybersecurity were everywhere, turning robotics into deeply connected systems rather than isolated machines. Sustainability pushed designs toward lower energy use and smaller footprints, while modular automation made robots easier to deploy, even for smaller manufacturers. And despite global excitement around humanoid robots, SPS put its focus firmly on practical systems. Robot arms, cobots, mobile platforms, and the components that make them smarter. SPS 2025 shows the future of industrial robotics is intelligent, integrated, and ready for real-world deployment.